In this video, let me show you how to upgrade to Spotify Premium. If you've been using Spotify on a free plan and you're now thinking of getting a premium version, today let me show you how. If this video sounds helpful, make sure you stick till the end and let's get started. Open up Spotify.com and then log into your account. Once you're inside of the home page, you can click on Explore Premium on the top of the screen. You can also do the same process if you're using the mobile app. Now it says right here, try 1 month of premium for individuals for $0. So you can start a free trial. To look at all of the plans that are available, you can scroll down and there are multiple plans that you can select from, such as individual, student, dual, and family. So depending upon needs and depending upon the plan, it's going to be different pricing. Take a look at the description of each of them and select the one that you need and then click on try free for 1 month. Now it's going to take you to the payment section. Either you can pay using your PayPal ID or using your credit or debit card. Select the option that best suits you. If you selected a card option, add in your card details, scroll down and then click on complete purchase. Likewise, if you click on PayPal, you need to log into your PayPal ID and then complete the verification and the purchase of a premium version on Spotify. As soon as you complete the purchase, you'll have access to a premium account on the Spotify platform, which you can easily log in on different devices as well. So that was the video about the way that you can get a premium plan on Spotify. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.